Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of groceries. Today's haul is from Safeway. I just had it delivered and it was a total of $56.54. So first thing I got were these drinks. The sodas were buy two, get three free. And I don't know if you guys know, but they have Pepsi that's made with real sugar. To me, it tastes so much better than just a regular Pepsi. So I grabbed one of those. We got some ginger ale and then a couple of cherry Coca-Colas. And then these were, and I bought a rebate. So I got some mineral water and some fruit drinks. The coffee was $5.99. The pasta sauce, they were $1.99. And then I bought, I believe, was given a 50-cent rebate or 75, something like that. I bought a rebate. Potatoes were 76 cents or 75 cents. And I have potatoes, but these are great for like baked potatoes. So I grabbed some of those. Italian sausage was on sale. This yeast was free, so I grabbed it. I usually buy my yeast at Costco and just keep it in the freezer and just have a little jar in the fridge, but I grabbed it. 99 cents on the celery. And then the chips, I believe, were like $1.99. This sounded so good. Mexican street corn Cheetos. We've never had them, but they sound delicious. Limited two, so I grabbed two. And then the Lay's chips were $1.99 each. Of course, I got salt and vinegar for the kids and the dill pickle because those are their favorites. I guess they like that tangy, salty flavor. But this is my haul, you guys, for under 60 bucks. Not much, but at least we stocked up for, with the drinks for the holidays. And yeah, I will show you guys what I get from Kroger tomorrow. This was part of my Safeway haul. So it seems like last week I forgot to show you guys the meringue pie from Kroger, and this week the ham. And I knew I was missing something. It was in a bag at the front door. The kids brought in the groceries, and I don't know how they didn't bring this in, but I got this. This was actually $1.29 a pound. I did not pay that much. I just paid under $11 for this ham, and it's the shank portion ham. You can get that or the butt ham. I got this because the other one, they were all out, and this is what it looks like. So this is going in my freezer, and what I think I'm going to be doing with this beautiful ham is I'm going to put it in my crock pot for New Year's, and we're going to have this with a bunch of sides. But yeah, it was just sitting in my Safeway bag. It's like not frozen, so I need to get this in the freezer as soon as possible. And yes, this was part of my haul. All right, so it is Friday, and we stopped by Winco Foods and spent a total of, okay, let's see if it's gonna focus. Either way, it's $61.72. So what we got was a dozen of these delicious breads, and these are crunchy and fresh. We got dry tortellini for our tortellini soup. And then we got this like salami thing. That's really good. And then we got coleslaw because we went in there to get their like fried chicken meal. And how much was that? That was just under $12. And then we got some coleslaw. We got some goodies for the kids. And then these Sour Patches are only 98 cents there. And then I got some bubble gum because Noah loves bubble gum, my little one. And then I did stop at Safeway and I got a caramel brulee latte once a month because I am part of their like Safeway club thing. I get a grande Starbucks for $2. And on Fridays, usually me and my husband like to pick up Starbucks as a treat when he gets home from work as a fun little date. So that's what we did. And I'll show you guys what else I get. All right, here is my Kroger haul. I spent $53.46, but these calendars were mispriced. They were supposed to be $150, $149 each, and they charged me $2. So I'll get a few bucks back on those. I'll let them know and they'll refund me. I got 5 of these cherry tomatoes because they're so delicious and they were on sale, and my oldest loves to roast those in the oven and they're just great. I got some Best Foods mayo with olive oil. This was $3.49. I grabbed 2. And then I got some Nescafe. I have like regular strength, but I like to mix it with a little bit of decaf if I have it in the afternoon. So what I do is I put 2 tablespoons of coffee, a tablespoon of sugar, and then like a little bit of water, and I mix it in a cup with the mixture. And then you can either do a half a cup to a cup of milk or water, like warm it up, and then you put it over it, and then you have this beautiful foamy coffee. Super easy, super fancy, super delicious. Something you can do at home. I got some blackberries and raspberries because they were on sale. This beautiful pineapple that is still green, we'll just let it sit on the counter and let it ripe. This was $1.49. I got these chocolates. These were $2 each. My family likes the milk chocolate. I love the dark chocolate, so that will be mine. Fun little sharing size M&Ms, $3.49, and then the peanut ones were $3.49. And like I said, these were supposed to be $1.49 each. I got charged $2, so we'll get some money back on that. But this is my Kroger haul. Are you? Okay, so the blackberries are already being eaten as we speak. So that's great. They're not going to go to waste, and I'll see you guys in my next haul. I think I'm going to do a Walmart haul or a Costco haul, and I'll share that with you guys. We are at Kroger. It is like 8:20 in the morning on Saturday, but there's still some markdowns. Look at those steaks, which is not bad, but I'm not picking those up. These cook in a bag teriyaki pork tenderloins for $5.03. Those are all marked down. I'm not picking those up. That's not a bad deal. Meat on clearance, which I grabbed some, not of that kind. And then they have those P3s on sale. You kind of have to just look everywhere. Mushrooms, grabbing those sprouts, and green beans. And my salads on sale, and then they have these beautiful big salads on sale, and a bunch of salads. This is how I get my markdown salads. Just wanted to bring you guys along and show you. Like, this is looking good. All right, here is my little Kroger haul. I spent $18.81. So we did end up getting a few mushrooms, and there was still a few in the back that were still left. We got this meat, this clearance meat, the salad, and then obviously all these beautiful salads that we are going to enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week of hauls. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. So I went to Safeway, and I had 3 things that were for free. And then I went with the kids, and they found some more Halloween markdowns. These cotton candy, spiderweb cotton candies were 50 cents each. So I grabbed one for each kid. Then I've never had these, but these were free. And this was the last dented box, was the last one. It's 8 ounces of crackers. Those were free. And then I'm assuming this is an energy drink because it says it has caffeine in it. This was free as well. So 3 things for free, and then I paid $2, and that was my haul.